In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a controller on any Steam PC game. This is a straightforward process that will enhance your gaming experience by allowing you to use your favorite controller with ease. Let's dive in. First, you want to begin by opening your Steam app on your computer. Once you've got that open, the next step is to click on the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the app where you'll enter your account credentials. So go ahead and type in your account name and your password. Once you've entered your details, click on Sign In to access your Steam account. It's important to remember your login details to save yourself from the hassle of recovering passwords later on. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your Steam homepage. From there, you'll notice a menu at the top. Click on Steam and from the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open a window with various options for customizing your Steam experience. Here, you're looking for the controller option in the Settings menu. Click on it and it should provide you with several options related to controller support. In the controller settings, you'll see options to enable different types of controllers. Whether you have an Xbox, PlayStation, or any other compatible controller, you should find the option to enable it here. Simply select the type of controller you have and click the checkbox to enable its support. This is a crucial step because it allows Steam to recognize and correctly configure your controller for use with its platform. Once you've enabled the controller support, you can now connect your controller to your PC. Depending on the type of controller you have, you can either connect it via a USB cable or wirelessly if your controller supports Bluetooth. Make sure your controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries if it's a wireless model. After successful connection, your PC should recognize the controller, and Steam will usually give you a confirmation that a controller is connected. Now that your controller is connected, it's important to calibrate its settings to ensure everything works smoothly. In Steam's controller settings, look for an option to calibrate or configure your controller. This step involves testing the buttons, triggers, and joysticks to confirm their functionality and responsiveness. Calibration is essential, especially if you notice any issues with input lag, or if certain buttons aren't working as expected. And there you have it, you are now ready to play any Steam game using your controller. This process should only take a few minutes, but the added comfort and precision a controller brings to your gaming experience is well worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy gaming on Steam with your controller of choice. Happy gaming.